First, the top news headlines. Displaced woman from Chorichandpur submits 20-point memorandum to NALSA in Delhi, seeks urgent relief for Manipur IDPs. Maira Paibi protest at Khurai Lamlong demands justice for alleged Sanna Jauba's death in custody, seeks accountability and compensation. And self-proclaimed Kukiland chief Mark Hauke, back in custody despite bail in NIA case, faces another legal proceedings for sedition charges. Very good evening. You are watching IS English News. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. A displaced woman from Chorichandpur, whose home was destroyed by a bomb blast during the ongoing ethnic unrest in Manipur, has taken the collective concerns of internally displaced persons, IDPs, to New Delhi. Currently residing at the Moirang Relief Camp, she submitted a 20-point memorandum to the chairman of the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA, highlighting the urgent needs of displaced communities affected since the violence erupted on May 3, 2023. Copies of the memorandum were also forwarded to the President, Prime Minister, Home Minister, Defence Minister, Finance Minister, Human Resource Minister and the Governor of Manipur. This submission comes in the wake of a March 22nd visit by 6 Supreme Court judges affiliated with NALSA to various relief camps in Manipur, which brought national attention to the IDP crisis. Due to the blockade by the Kuki-Jau community, which continues to prevent Meitei access to roads through Kuki-dominated regions, the woman had to fly back to Imphal as travel by land remains impossible. While in Delhi, she also took part in the Kobru Kasi demonstration and a solemn prayer gathering at Jantar Mantar on April 6, organized by the Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee DMCC. The 20-point charter includes demands for UID-based IDP identification cards, mental health support, education access, student allowances, resettlement plans, employment schemes, political representation, and community development initiatives, among others. Speaking to the media upon her return, she expressed hope that the submission would prompt immediate and meaningful intervention. She conveyed that the IDP community believes the authorities will understand the urgency of their appeal and assured that they are ready to cooperate fully to ensure these demands are addressed.
With the outcome of this discussion, Mr. S.C. Mugate have given assurance and also been promised that he will be presenting this point with Mr. Gavai, the Supreme Court Justice, to apprise this point and to be implemented and have the most constructive directives, and the outcome today is a benefit for all the Meitei IDP. I request all the Meitei IDPs should open up these eyes and also have an appreciation and gratitude expressed from each and every one of us to the NALSA. We express the gratitude to NALSA, and the IDP of Meitei should also be acknowledged this initiative, especially by Rojita from Chorichandpur. The necessity of UID linked with the Aadhaar card has been discussed. The educational free policies, the educational free allowance up to the certain amounts has been well discussed, and I'm sure NALSA will definitely take it up. So now the voice is to the President of India. We have submitted, IDP have submitted these memorandums on the dated 6th, and also to the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defence Minister, the Finance Minister, the Human Resource, the Lamba Commissions. They have not yet been even given any acknowledgement of these submission, and we have no stop of this approach, and IDP will be keep on approaching them for having the physical meeting with them.
In a display of dissent, the Maira Paibi of Khurai Lamlong held convened a sit-in protest today, denouncing the recent events surrounding the unfortunate demise of Khoishnam Sanna Jauba. Sanna Jauba was reportedly taken into custody by police personnel on December 31, 2024, only to be discovered deceased later at Jennings Hospital. He lives behind his wife and a 3-year-old child. The protest, adorned with placards bearing messages such as "We condemn custodial killings," "We condemn the killing of village volunteers after arrest," "Punish the culprit," and a demand to publish the post-mortem report conducted on April 15 within 24 hours, echoed the sentiments of the community. Secretary of Lamlong Kaithel Phambi Apunbalup Wahingbam Ongbi Ibechaubi, speaking to the media, emphasized the pivotal role played by village volunteers in safeguarding civilians from threats when security forces fall short. She urged swift action in holding the implicated personnel accountable, urging authorities to promptly address the concerns raised by Sana Jawba's family, who are now left without their primary breadwinner. Demanding adequate compensation for the bereaved family, Ibe Chaubi stressed that failure to meet these demands within 5 days would lead to intensified agitation, garnering support from various civil bodies and the people of Manipur. Security forces have intensified their operations across Manipur, particularly focusing on fringe and vulnerable areas in both hill and valley districts. As part of the ongoing efforts to restore and maintain peace, extensive search operations and area domination exercises were carried out, leading to significant recoveries. In a major hole at Saidan village under the jurisdiction of Churachandpur police station, authorities recovered a cache of arms and ammunition. The seized items included a .303 rifle with magazine, a 9mm pistol, a modified carbine machine gun, a locally made single-barrel gun, a long-range modified 81mm mortar, 2 local-made Pompi guns, and 2 tear smoke shells, 1 short-range and 1 long-range. Meanwhile, security forces have stepped up vigilance through the installation of 110 checkpoints, nakas, across various districts of Manipur, encompassing both hill and valley areas. In a separate counter-insurgency actions, 2 individuals affiliated with proscribed outfits were apprehended. One of them, identified as Wahingbam Ramananda Singh, aged 50, a resident of Kontha Ahallup Mayalika in Imphal district, was arrested from the Tri Junction near Lai Haraubam Leirak under Hingang police station. Singh is reportedly a member of the KCP Lalumba faction. During the arrest, security forces seized a 9mm pistol with a magazine, 6 live rounds of 9mm ammunition, 2.32 pistols with magazines, 8 live rounds of .32 ammunition, and a mobile phone from his possession. In another development, a 32-year-old man identified as Angom Ajoy Meitei from Phayang Mayalikai was apprehended by security personnel at Phayang village under Lamsang police station in Imphal West district. He is said to be an active member of the KYKL outfit. The items recovered from him included a bulletproof jacket and helmet, a military vest belt, a telescope, and a mobile phone. Mark Thangmang Haokip, self-proclaimed president of the government of People's Democratic Republic of Kukilen, though recently granted bail by the special judge NIA Imphal West, finds himself back in legal custody. Following a ruling by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West, Haokip has been remanded to judicial custody in connection with another case. Haokip, originally apprehended from a residence in Kishangarh, New Delhi on May 24, 2022, faces charges related to conspiring for secession from India and promoting enmity through social media. His bail conditions, which mandated a PR bond of Rs 3 lakh and 2 sureties of similar amounts, were set amidst legal maneuver and challenges by the state. The prosecution alleges that Haokip and associates utilized platforms such as www.cookiegovernment.com to propagate provocative messages allegedly aimed at instigating unrest and communal disharmony. The court's stringent bail terms restrict Haokip from influencing witnesses, leaving Manipur without court permission, engaging in prejudicial acts, or threatening national unity and security. The High Court of Manipur previously deliberated on the contentious nature of the case, highlighting its broader implications for law enforcement and governance. Segmai Assembly Constituency MLA Haikham Dingo Singh visited the Kangchup Chingkhong Relief Camp yesterday to assess the pressing needs of the IDPs. During the visit, he met with individuals whose names had been removed from the list of relief recipients. In addressing the situation, Haikham Dingo stated that Segmai Assembly Constituency in Imphal West District has endured significant devastation amidst the ongoing conflict. He emphasized his commitment to exploring measures for the benefit of displaced residents at Kangchup, including advocating for the reconstruction of damaged houses to facilitate the return of IDPs. The MLA assured that he would exert pressure on relevant officials, noting his ongoing communication with the Imphal West Deputy Commissioner. Highlighting the urgency, Haikham Dingo stressed the necessity of establishing multiple outposts from Tairen Pokpi to Kanglatongbi to restore normalcy in Segmai Assembly Constituency. He prioritized the immediate setup of an outpost at Kangchup with plans to submit a proposal accordingly. Regarding the current situation in Segmai Assembly Constituency, the MLA mentioned a partial return to calm and disclose efforts towards establishing an Ayush dispensary to provide healthcare services to Kangchup and its environs. Accompanying Haikham Dingo during his visit were officials from the Lamsang Police Station and CRPF. In an initiative for the academic session, the KNK Foundation Manipur launched its 4th batch of free coaching classes for students of class 9 and 10, alongside a special felicitation ceremony honoring outstanding Wushu athletes. The event took place at the KNK Coaching Center in Kaibul Makhalika in Bishnupur District. Dr. Salam Mangi, retired Deputy Secretary of Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, graced the occasion alongside esteemed guests including ex-Pradhan Salam Amuba and retired Additional SP Laishram Birbabu. This ceremony was presided over by Kangabam Phazaton, President of the Bishnupur District Wushu Guardian Association, who highlighted the importance of sports in youth development. Notable achievers like Haisnam Devjani, Salam Malim Nganbi, Pukhrambam Joysri, Salam Loya Nganbi, and Salam Lanchenbi were honored for their remarkable performances at the Khelo India Wushu National Championship 2025 and other national level tournaments. They were commended with medals and mementos for their contributions to Wushu and Kung Fu disciplines. Chairman Uttam Kumar Ningthausam underscored the importance of nurturing young minds to build a better future for the community. He stated, KNK Foundation's mission is not just to provide free coaching, but to create a platform where students from rural and economically challenged backgrounds can dream bigger and achieve more. Thanga and Kaibul areas are rich in potential, and through these classes, we aim to guide students towards academic excellence and personal growth, he added. Speaking on career prospects, Kangabam Fazaton emphasized the potential of sports as a career path, encouraging youth to pursue excellence in both academics and athletics, and highlighted the transformative power of sports in shaping individuals and nurturing talent. On the occasion of Good Friday, which falls tomorrow, Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly T.H. Satyabrata Singh extended a message of peace and reflection to the people of Manipur, urging them to draw strength from the teachings and sacrifice of Jesus Christ. In his message, the Speaker reflected on the significance of the day, describing it as a time to remember Christ's ultimate sacrifice, one made out of love, faith, and redemption. He expressed hope that in these challenging times, the values of compassion and forgiveness preached by Christ would guide individuals and communities towards healing and unity. Acknowledging the ongoing struggles faced by Manipur, T.H. Satyabrata Singh likened the people's endurance to Christ's journey bearing the cross. He encouraged citizens to carry their burdens with faith and resilience, drawing inspiration from Christ's unwavering strength. He further hoped that the observance of Good Friday would bring peace to the hearts of all, strengthen community bonds, and inspire hope for a brighter and more harmonious future. The speaker concluded by wishing everyone a peaceful and blessed Good Friday. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Displaced woman from Churachandpur submits 20-point memorandum to Nalsa in Delhi, seeks urgent relief for Manipur IDPs. Maira Paibi protest at Khurai Lamlong demands justice for alleged Sana Jauba's death in custody, seeks accountability and compensation. And self-proclaimed Kukiland chief Mark Hokif, back in custody despite bail in NIA case, faces another legal proceedings for sedition charges. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching ICE News and have a great evening.